Hello everyone, today we're going to present a vision analysis of confirmed malaria cases in the Caqueta department using an interactive dashboard where we open data from datos.gov.co.
This dashboard covers reports from 2018 to 2023. We focus on trends by sex, age, municipalities, and health insurance remain. Let's explore the main insights together. Insight 1: General trend of cases in women.
Let's start with this chart showing the number of infected women by year and month. We can see peaks in 2018 and 2021 with a clear downward trend towards 2023.
Yes, and in the combined graph, we can also see how the percentage has changed month by month. This helps identify specific outbreaks or moments when epidemiological control was more effective.
Insight number two is the gender comparison.
In this pie chart, we see that 680.56% of the cases correspond to men and only 31.44% the women. There's significant difference.
This could be related to factors like occupationality, exports, or activities in rural areas, which tend to affect men more frequently.
Inside 3, women infected BH group.
This chart shows the most affected age groups among women. The 20 to 28 years group is the most vulnerable, followed by 30 to 39.
This is important for targeted prevention strategies, for example, aimed at women of reproductive age or those in specific labor sectors.
The insight number four is reports by municipality and month.
Here's an interesting graph showing which municipalities report the most cases per month. October, November, and August are the months with the highest number of effective municipalities.
And if we look at the totalization by municipality, Solano and Cartagena and Chaira stand out with a large share of the cases. This could help guide for focus interviews.
Inside number 5, distribution by health region.
Lastly, we have filters of health insurance regimens, contributions, subsidies, and special anonymous search. This filter helps analysis with whether there's correlation between the time of affiliation and export to malaria.
It's a useful tool for public policy as it allows presenting resources for the most vulnerable population based on their access to healthcare. In summary, this dashboard allowed us to identify patterns of malaria in Caquetá. We have seen difference by gender, age, region, and time.
Thanks for joining using. We hope this analysis is useful for public health decision making, and we encourage you to explore open data to continue generation valuable insights.